Let me show you what's happening in the crypto market. This is just insane. So if we go to, we're just going to take a look at Bitcoin as an example. If you hold any altcoins, it's very important that you watch this video. But before we do so, give this video a thumbs up and blow up the comment section, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you think about the current crypto market, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. So cryptos are in a box right now. They are trapped. They are trapped, absolutely trapped. And it is funny to watch. It's crazy to watch, actually. But I'm still bullish. I'm still optimistic. Look at this. This is Bitcoin. This is just Bitcoin. It's an example of cryptos and what they're doing. Bitcoin has been staying in this exact little box since we have crashed down here, the 12th of May. It's now 12 days later, and Bitcoin has been bouncing back and forth, up and down, 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 up and down. Why are cryptos doing this? This is crazy. As soon as things look bullish, as I have been talking about in each of my videos, my previous videos, make sure you watch them. I have some incredible information in there that you cannot miss. Make sure you check that out. But look at this. Bitcoin and cryptos dumped today. Boom. Yesterday, I went to the doctor's office. Things were looking great. I was getting ready to take profits because cryptos had pumped up. We had made some profits in the Patreon where I put my buy and sell alerts for cryptos. And I go to the doctor's office. I don't look at my phone for 20 minutes where I watch the charts literally for about 18 hours a day. Constantly, I have alerts on whenever cryptos make a particular move, 1% move. I'm always alert to the crypto market. But as soon as I turn my head, you guys probably experience the same thing. Let me know if you do. As soon as I turn my head, they crash. Boom. Portfolio's down. Everything's down. I missed the opportunity I had all day to take profits. I didn't. And it's been happening. I've been caught like 3 times in a row. So many trades in a row. As soon as you turn your head, cryptos, they not only take a dip, but they crash 5%, 6%, 8%, and it just keeps going down. And you never want to sell when cryptos crash and go down because they usually will bottom out and bounce as they are doing right now. Now, cryptos have crashed. It's just very volatile, okay? Cryptos are very volatile. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. But cryptos are stuck inside of this box. And whenever cryptos are inside of a box, this is called a consolidation range or a consolidation period where they are trading sideways. Cryptos cannot last in here for very long. And if we actually zoom out, I'm going to show you, this is called a bear flag, ladies and gentlemen. This is a bear flag. It's a very bearish thing. But because if we zoom out, we can see we are at a major support level for cryptocurrencies. They always come down to this level and bounce back up. We are in the bounce zone. We are in a very close area to bouncing to being the bottom. So there's always consolidation ranges when we are at the bottom after a correction, after a crash. And that's what's happening. But we are still a little bit more bullish, and there's something I need to show you in addition for us just being in this box. So this pattern is a bear flag, which means that generally, most of the times when we see this pattern, despite us being near the bottom or at the bottom, especially when we're at the top of a market, when cryptos crash and they form this consolidation range, usually it means that they're about to make another big move to the downside because the bulls cannot get us past this line, but the bears cannot get us past this support level either. And this support level for Bitcoin is $28,639. And the resistance level that Bitcoin is having difficulty breaking is $30,700. If Bitcoin can actually break $31,500 all the way up to $32,692. If Bitcoin can break around 31,000 to 32,000, maybe 33,000. If Bitcoin can break above 32,000, there's actually going to be some confidence on my part and in most traders and investors' eyes that we could see a big move. But until Bitcoin breaks above this level, cryptos aren't going to be doing much. You're gonna be seeing these little pumps that happen, but you should take advantage because sometimes these consolidation ranges can last quite some time, which means that they're gonna come down to this exact support level, give or take, maybe more, maybe less, and then they bounce usually back up to close to the resistance level. It's super easy to trade if you are a trader. You can even test this strategy on your own. Put in the Patreon, I put out these alerts when to get into these trades. I highly recommend it if you want to make money in the crypto market while things are still bearish. The link is in my top pinned comment or in my video description. But here is the thing. Where are cryptos headed? What are they doing? Why are they doing this? Well, there is FUD and fear still out there. There's still panic out there. There's still a lot of FUD out there, and that's preventing cryptos and the stock market from recovering. The stock market, this is the S&P 500, is doing the same exact thing, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. So the stock market, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. It's just bouncing back and forth in this range. Ever since we have crashed down here, we've been bouncing back and forth. And until the S&P can recover and break out of this area, cryptos are most likely not going to be breaking out. But I have some important information that is very, very, very bullish news. So we have been monitoring the US dollar index, the DXY. We know that cryptos cannot go up when the DXY is going up, but the DXY finally is headed back down. Look at this. This is many years, ladies and gentlemen, from 2017. It's a multi-year resistance level peak area. And when the DXY comes to this resistance level, it always crashes back down. And when the DXY crashes down, these are actually starts of massive bull runs for cryptocurrencies. Continue to watch. I have better information, important information that you cannot miss. The DXY is finally breaking down. This is the weekly time frame, two red candles in a row. If we look at the daily time frame, we are seeing a strong downtrend for the first time in quite some time, for many months, many months. Quite some time. We are finally heading back down as things appear. Things could change any second in this current market because things are just crazy. But we are finally seeing a strong move to the downside, and that is good for stocks and cryptocurrencies. So this might be an indication behind the scenes that cryptos and stocks are ready to bounce up. We could be in a correction for the next several weeks, maybe a couple of months at most. And I do believe that cryptos are going to bounce up, that Bitcoin will be breaking $40,000, maybe $50,000 in the next couple of months. And what that means for altcoins like Ethereum, like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, Cardano, XRP, Solana, maybe Luna, is that there's going to be some very big upside potential. So if you're holding some of these altcoins, they're at massive discounts. We could go lower. That's what we are waiting for. That's what we are watching for on this channel. Are cryptos going to recover? Are they going to break outside of this channel? So we talked about the bullish outcome. If Bitcoin can break above 31 to 32,000, if we start breaking above there, we're going to be heading higher. But if we start breaking below, if Bitcoin breaks below 28,500, there's going to be some more downside, but that could be a little fake out bounce before the major correction, before the major reversal in the market. And note that there's a lot of market manipulation happening right now, left and right. That's why you see cryptos, they're going up and then they're crashing down, because what it is that the market manipulators, the market makers, the people that move the markets, the whales, they're trying to fake people out into getting to think that we are breaking out, about to go up, and that's when the retail investors, that's when the dumb money gets in. Me and you are dumb money. People with small amounts of money, we don't have billions to invest. Even if you have millions, you're still dumb money. But the whales, the people that are messing with billions of dollars, they try to abuse the dumb money by getting them to think with the best technical analysis that things are about to break out, and boom, they will shoot things down, crash it on you to get you to panic sell to drop the prices further. But this can only last for so long. They can only do this for so long. And guess what? I have some important information I have to share with you. Bitcoin, the daily RSI is oversold, major opportunity. So what we see for Bitcoin with the RSI is that the RSI is an indicator to let us know when things are overbought or oversold. We're at extreme levels of being oversold. And when things are oversold, that is an indication that a bounce is soon coming. Let me know if you all agree that a bounce is soon coming. A bounce is going to happen. Cryptos always recover. Bitcoin, Ethereum, really good cryptos with good projects, real futures, they always recover. Let me know if you think cryptos are going to be recovering in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Are they going to recover at all this year? I think that there is going to be a massive bull run this year at least once. This is my opinion. I'm wrong many times, but I think it's going to happen. And it usually happens after massive catastrophes. When the economy is looking bad, when the economy is crashing, when stocks are crashing, when things get really crazy, they bottom out and bounce up very quickly and when you least expect it. Let me know if you guys think that that is a possibility. I certainly think it is. I mean, look at this. If we look at Ethereum crashed, went right back up, back down, back up. It's just, the market is so volatile. And during times of fear and panic, the market moves really fast and the swings are big. The swing is when one thing goes up and another thing goes down. That's a swing. It goes up and down 5%, 6%, 8%. Cryptos crashed like 8 to 9% yesterday in 24 hours, and then they bounce back up 6% and then they're down. It's crazy, but it's an incredible opportunity to trade if you can take advantage by using technical analysis. And I have a course to teach you exactly how to do this at MYLESGinvestments.com. Go there, sign up for the course, 66% off. I highly recommend it. You can know when to buy and to sell. You can do all of this yourself while the time is limited. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I appreciate your support, your comments, your likes, your dislikes, your subscriptions. I will see you all later. Have a great one.